Algorand is a decentralized blockchain platform launched in 2019 with a bold mission to solve the blockchain trilemma and create a network that is truly scalable, secure, and decentralized all at the same time. Earlier blockchains like Bitcoin and Ethereum made huge strides in decentralization and security, but they often struggled with scalability, leading to slow transactions and high fees. This challenge, known as the blockchain trilemma, suggests that improving one feature often comes at the expense of the others. However, Algorand breaks that pattern. Algorand is unique because of its pure proof-of-stake consensus mechanism, which allows it to process transactions quickly and with very low energy usage. It supports smart contracts and can be used to create tokens and decentralized apps, just like Ethereum, but it does so more efficiently. Here's how Algorand's pure proof-of-stake works in simple terms. Stake and participation. Anyone who holds ALGO, which is Algorand's native cryptocurrency, can participate in the consensus process. The more ALGO you hold, the higher your chances of being randomly selected to help validate transactions. Random selection. A random process called cryptographic sortition chooses users to propose blocks and vote on them. Because it's random and secret until after the block is created, it's nearly impossible to predict or corrupt. Block finality. Once a block is added to the chain, it's final. There are no forks or reversals, which makes the network faster and more reliable. This system is lightweight and doesn't require massive amounts of electricity like Bitcoin, making it one of the greenest blockchains around. Here are some standout features that make Algorand popular among developers and blockchain enthusiasts. Speed and scalability. Transactions on Algorand are confirmed in under 5 seconds, and it can process thousands of transactions per second, which is much faster than Ethereum or Bitcoin. Low fees. Transaction costs are a fraction of a penny, making it affordable even for microtransactions. Smart contracts. Algorand supports smart contracts written in a language called TEAL, which stands for Transaction Execution Approval Language. These contracts are secure, efficient, and run directly on the blockchain. Decentralization. Thousands of users participate in consensus. Since there's no central authority, the system is highly democratic. Sustainability. Algorand is designed to be carbon negative by offsetting more CO2 than it produces. Algorand is used in many real-world applications, including finance and decentralized finance. Users can lend, borrow, trade, or stake assets without traditional banks. Asset tokenization. Real-world items like real estate or art can be turned into digital tokens on Algorand. Gaming and NFTs. Developers use Algorand to create fast, low-cost NFT platforms and games. Governments and enterprises. Some countries and companies are exploring Algorand for secure document storage, digital identity, and even national digital currencies. ALGO is the native cryptocurrency of the Algorand blockchain, and it plays a central role in keeping the network secure, efficient, and decentralized. Here are some of the things that you can do with it. Pay fees. ALGO is used to pay ultra-low transaction fees on the network. Vote in governance. Holders can vote on protocol upgrades and community decisions. Earn rewards. By participating in governance, users can earn staking rewards. Support decentralization. Anyone with ALGO can help secure the network. In short, ALGO isn't just for trading, it's your key to participating in, shaping, and benefiting from the Algorand ecosystem. Algorand is an exciting blockchain platform that offers a powerful combination of speed, security, decentralization, and sustainability. By using a unique consensus model called pure proof of stake, it overcomes many of the limitations found in older blockchains. Whether you're a developer looking to build the next big decentralized app or a beginner curious about crypto, Algorand is worth exploring. With real-world use cases and a strong commitment to innovation, it's paving the way for a more efficient and inclusive digital economy. That is all for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we will see you in the next one.